Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Amir, I am an Oracle Fusion consultant, and in this video I'm going to test Oracle Apex integration with Oracle Fusion REST API. In our test we will choose a bank REST API. So first we will search the REST API from the Oracle website, and then we will test the URL with any REST client. In my case I am using Postman. And once that test is successful, we will create REST endpoint in Apex. And then we will see the scenario testing with interactive report. In that we can update. We'll see how the data is coming from Oracle Fusion and it is appearing in the interactive report. And we'll try one updating scenario. And finally, we'll verify the bank data in Oracle Fusion application. Let's get started. The first of all, we will search the REST API from the Oracle website. You can write any name. You should write something Oracle Fusion Bank or supplier or customer or orders or procurement or purchase orders. Any entity you can write. So in my case, I'm testing the bank. So I'll write bank REST API. So this is a URL. We'll hit that URL. We'll go to the latest release. And here you see all the REST APIs. If you go to the all REST endpoint, you will see all the REST endpoints, but we will go down and search under tasks. Here you are, the banks. You see now there are many paths available for creating a bank, deleting a bank, and getting a bank, getting all bank. Getting a bank means we can search a specific bank with parameter. But in this video, I'm just want to test this scenario, get all bank path we will use. And we will use the multiple operation because in REST API, in Apex, the REST client we will create, we will actually use the SaaS type. In that we will have many options. Let's test this URL. So this is my URL path of the API, but we have to put our Fusion instance link server path. This is my server path. I'll paste here. Now our URL is ready. I'll copy. Now I'm going to test this in Postman. Yeah. So we'll create one workspace. This is because our API is get, so it is a get method. So we will use the type get. Here I will paste my URL, and under authorization I'll set basic authorization and I'll put my username and password. It's already there because I tested before. And now we'll hit the send button. Yeah, so it's successful, 200. So we can see all the banks. The JSON output is available. Bank name alternative means in a different language, bank number, description, and the other thing, the country. Yeah, country. So there are a lot more details. So our endpoint is configure and test it properly. We'll now going to Apex application, and we will now go to our this step. We are now going to create REST endpoint in Apex. Go to Apex, and you can create your own application. I'll show one more thing here. If you create your new application, you see there are pre-configured Oracle Fusion integration applications are available in new or latest version of Apex, but this requires a cloud-based integration. So in this test, I'm not gonna use this option, but surely when you go real-time integration, you must choose this, and it will have pre-configured and Redwood UI as well, and it will be faster then. But in this test, we are testing one normal test. I'll open this application, and in your application, go to shared component. Under shared component, we have to create one REST data source. I think I mistyped here. I'll type REST data source for better clarity. So we'll create, hit button, create, select from scratch, select next. In this data source type, you can use for a simple API HTTP call, but in my case, I'm using this one, Oracle Cloud Application SaaS endpoint. Name, give any name. Let's paste the full URL. Hit next. Go next. Keep it the same values. And here you see the difference. When we selected the SaaS, it will provide us the other features like DML. Yes, we need DML. Means it will provide insert, update, and fetch options. And we can select yes, no need. Yes, pagination we need because it will divide page and number of rows. Select next. Yeah, authentication. I'll hit basic authentication. I'll put my username. I have access to Oracle Fusion. We must have the roles, appropriate roles assigned to the user. Any role any user is configured, and any API you are gonna want to integrate, that particular user must have the data level access. Let's select discover. You see our test is connected, successful. I'll select it as create REST endpoint. So our new REST data source is created, and notice it has 5 operations. I'll show what are the operations. You see post, get, patch, delete, all the operations are automatically created in Oracle Apex. This is because we selected the type Oracle application SaaS REST endpoint. If you use the same URL with this simple HTTP test, those operations will not appear. Now next topic is we will create an interactive report, and we will test our data source. I'll create one page. I'll choose interactive report. I'll give it a name. Yes, we will include a form to update scenario. Update. Yes, data. No, we're not gonna. We have to select the data source. No, it's not a local. We'll select this option. REST source. From the REST source, I will choose this. This is the REST data source we just created. Keep all the options same. Hit next. This is a key, but I will set my. I see if there is another key. Bank party ID. Let's keep it same. This is actually the key. The primary key the Apex will use in the interactive report and the other update form to maintain the integrity. The report is created. In the column, we will see. Let's run this application. I hid my credentials to Apex. So here we are. The Apex is perfectly linked to integrated with Oracle Fusion via REST API and showing all the bank's information. So bank ID, you can design your report with all the required, and you can hide unnecessary columns, but this is not part of our testing of this scenario. You can see all the banks. I'll go to the Fusion application. We'll see. Here's the banks. You can see the Abu Dhabi Islamic Bank, one Bank of America 3, and few in this Apex, yes, one Bank 3. So all these banks are appearing. And now I'm going to test one update. This is the viewing data, get data example you have already seen. All the banks are appearing. This is the pagination, 50 page per screen, 50 records per page. And I'll go to first page and test one. Let's say I will take this one. I'll hit update. This is the form created by Apex automatically. I'll change the name to from 3 to 4. I'll hit apply. See, the bank name is changed from 3 to 4. And I'll now verify in the Fusion application. Go back done. I'll come here again. You see, the name is also reflecting updated in the Fusion application. So this is our test is completed. So in future, and I will create more videos on different topics in Fusion and Apex integration. So keep in touch, keep watching my YouTube channel.